guys. So for today's vlog, we're going to have a game which is Q&A with my friend Justy.
Name bro.
Hey bro. Today is November 27, 2024. It's feast day. Let's eat. Okay. Quick. I have here a Bicol Express na galing from Bicol. From Bicol, yeah.
Of course, Bicol Express.
Yeah. And beef from beef.
From corned beef.
From corn. Okay, so the main concept of this vlog is Q&A. So let's start. Okay. What? Yeah. You have a role in your family.
My role is, of course, to obey my parents.
Wow.
Obey my parents and study law and giving my best in our school.
You answered very well.
How about you?
How about me?
Yes.
I am my role in my family. I'm going to be a student. Joke. Censored. My role in my family. My role as a son to provide a happiness.
That's it?
That's it, yo bro. Hi sis.
Okay, second question.
Ayan. Okay. From Juliana at
These past few weeks, yes, I have.
That's so sad.
But then, what I do is just pray to God and guide us to guide our family, to build our relationship back again to the family that who we are.
Wow! Who we are.
The happy family. Ganun.
Okay. Next question is from Anjali and TB.
You answer first.
Do I live my life happy? I would say 50-50
Why 50?
because I have problems. Sometimes I don't have.
Of course, that's the
Yeah, that's normal in life, and yeah, I don't know how to say something. That's how life. Next question from Atabong Bilad. Look,
Tabong bilat.
user. That's his or her username.
Username. Tabong bilat.
Oh my God. Have you ever nothing? What is that? Nothing? Oh my God, guys, I have a bisita. What's bisita?
mean I do. Because, grade 12, we're grade 12. Of course, we have a lot of schoolworks and of course, research. That was so stressful.
For me, that's so spicy.
It's normal hindi to express.
For me, I feel pressure sometimes because they gave us too many projects and activities that we can complete in just 1 week. So every time I feel so like your world will go down, and then after you comply it you will rise again. Then
Go down again.
life like a roller coaster.
Sometimes,
Ay, sorry, is this a roller coaster? It's a
Like a
wave. A roller coaster.
sometimes we're on top.
Sometimes we go down. Sometimes when we touch. So that's for my vlog. And I hope you know me very well, you know him very well, and it's our fiesta, so we will celebrate. Bye.